I ain't never went to jail. They took me to jail. I ain't go.
You ain't go willingly.
Alright, y'all. Welcome back.
We forgot that place.
We finished up our Flamin' Hot Cheeto chicken and our Flamin' Hot pickles.
Pickles.
You know what I'm saying? So now we're about to dig in and we're about to taste this and then see what it's rocking with. You know what I'm saying?
And
the
kids how we made this.
Kids want French fries too, so we got a little French fries too because the kids want French fries.
And then we got
I'm going straight for the pickles, yo.
If y'all want to see how we made this, make sure you go back and look at our last video. We show you exactly how we did it.
If they ain't seen that already, then what is wrong with y'all? If you ain't subscribed already,
what is wrong with you?
Man.
If you ain't liked, what is wrong with you?
hit that notification. What is wrong
And if
with
you ain't commented to tell us what else you want to see, what is wrong with you? How we gonna know if you ain't telling us?
Message.
Wait a minute, y'all already doing it? Oh, hold on. Well, you want a piece? What you want?
Let me have some of those wings. Let me have a small piece. I want to see how it tastes. This feel good too.
Look good right there?
Y'all want
like that?
Feel that texture. It feels good.
Oh, y'all don't want these pickles, huh?
Oh, you like the texture of the chicken too? Nice and crispy?
Who else like flats? I'm a flat girl.
A flat.
Yeah, these are called flats.
Wow.
And of course you gotta have some ranch dressing.
I was ranch dressing. Did I ask for that? It don't taste like the TLJ thing.
I wasn't gonna say nothing though. I was just gonna let them cook it at home for themselves.
Hey.
What you think, babe?
Y'all may have a different taste.
I mean,
still do it. Y'all may think it
pickles
tastes
is definitely yeah.
You're trying to
I don't like the way you ate that on camera.
The people want to see that.
I don't want to see all that.
There you go. There you go.
Be love, do it. Go be love.
You gonna stop shouting out all these little people.
Ain't that white B? Comment down below.
Hey.
We need subscribers. We need the views.
I'm with it. I ain't gonna lie, let me be love that. Okay, hold on.
I want to see Seal. I want to see your subscription, Seal.
Who?
Seal.
Seal Navy? The Army.
Who?
Seal.
The
Army?
Y'all so.
Me either. I don't know who that is. But seriously, I don't think you did anything to the chicken. It ain't spicy at all. Nah, not really.
Somebody told me to leave the cayenne pepper out.
No.
Yes, you did. You said I feel like it's gonna be too spicy.
No. I didn't say leave the cayenne pepper out.
What'd you say?
I said, why are we putting cayenne pepper in it? And you was like, oh, we don't have to. It'll be too spicy for the kids anyway. Leave it out.
I would like the little spice. Yeah, make sense.
A little hot sauce. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it.
Hot sauce ain't good.
So put hot sauce on chicken anyway.
Look at that.
You ain't black, you don't put hot sauce on chicken?
Look at my color.
Check the comments.
Look at my color. I think it tells a different story.
That ass don't.
What don't know? We don't kill.
You should have thought about that before you came out.
We don't care. We'll watch it.
It's good, man.
I mean, the chicken okay.
He don't know if the chicken okay because he don't like chicken on the bone.
I'm so focused on pickles.
The pickles is good though, ain't they?
It's a chicken pickles.
Nah, y'all just don't like pickles.
You gotta try pickle.
For real, you should try, Bray, you should try pickle for real though.
It's hot?
No, it's just it tastes just like the
It's good.
You gotta dip it in some ranch. I'm telling you, it tastes it, babe. Alright.
It's good.
But I would like some chicken in that ranch now.
Ain't got no flavor to me. That was that seasoned chicken.
See? I told you chicken got no flavor. Tastes like regular. I don't know what kind of chicken tastes like. It don't taste like
regular.
chicken.
You don't got no seasoning.
Comment
That was that signature
comment down below. Does your chicken usually have like a little pow to it?
A little what?
Little. Oh,
Right.
Yeah.
So just stop talking.
He didn't want to talk. He just like hearing himself talk. Y'all have noticed by now.
y'all don't listen now.
No, you just been talking. It's okay. But, Now, I'll make the pickles again, though.
I mean, I do the pickles again.
But at the same time,
no, I wouldn't.
we could always do it like
Because
something
that took a while.
I would say I wouldn't. That's the reason why I wouldn't do it.
Took a while.
Because it took a while. Like, I would just fry them up regular. Like, I mean,
We had to do
the
a whole lot
presentation.
extra.
What would you make it like to make it be like crispy like?
Flour.
I don't know if that'd be enough.
Well,
Hmm?
you just bread that mud. Flour. Cornmeal. Something like that.
Mine's getting a little hotter. Yeah, now I'm starting to taste the chicken. It ain't like hot, but it's like there's some like a little ting.
No. You just
For real?
Yeah.
They don't like hot. They don't eat these. They don't eat hot stuff.
I do. I eat hot stuff. I eat hot stuff
You don't
too.
eat these flaming
I
hot.
don't take nothing hot.
I can't want some hot sauce from my chicken.
It tastes like regular fried flour.
Yeah. Okay.
For the time we put into this, I'm kind of disappointed. I ain't gonna lie.
Me too.
I thought it was gonna be, and I thought like
I thought
we did the lemon too. The
Because so
lemon,
many-
whatever you
And I don't
want
even
to
taste that.
because so many people doing it, I thought it was gonna be like, oh wow, it's amazing. No, people is not.
We ain't watching enough of their videos, huh?
No, everything looks good. I think what it is, you know what I think it is
They
though?
keep saying that.
I think it's the fact
I mean, it's
that
good. It ain't,
yeah, I
it
think
ain't
it's the fact
bad.
that you would think is nasty. Like
it's
who
a
would think
medium.
about that?
It's a medium.
But then when you try it, it's like, oh okay.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not
But
bad, but
I think we would season the chicken before. I mean, honestly,
for the
Yeah.
prep time, I'm not doing it again.
yeah.
At all.
Give me some hot sauce.
No. I stick to
You know.
regular old flour. You know what I'm saying? Somebody already took the time to ground it up for
You
me.
wonder why I don't be in the video the whole time.
You don't want to do that. This is messy.
But it's pretty good.
It's
With my
okay.
spice.
It's okay.
Try this at home, people. Comment down below what you think about it.
I mean, yeah. I mean, you know.
Some people have different taste.
Hot sauce.
Y'all may do it a different way.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we love Texas Pete. Shout out to Texas Pete.
We will sponsor for y'all.
That's what our sauce is. Texas Pete. Sprite too. Is my spicy? I might want some straight Cheetos.
It has hot sauce on it. Texas Pete, I don't like that.
She better
That's
have
cool.
some.
Let me the Cheetos. I'm gonna go straight for the Cheetos.
Let me pick one. It makes these better than chicken Cheetos. Chicken Cheetos.
You don't your ranch them?
That's that dad. Thank you.
Yeah, I know that ranch.
I'm hungry. I need nothing.
I don't want
Oh, we got a lot hot in there.
But you knew you were gonna eat it because you don't like chicken. You know what I'm saying? Like
Cheetos versus
Man,
chicken.
I don't know how hot to
Cheetos.
me either. It don't taste like nothing.
it don't taste like Cheetos. This
Cheetos
really
versus
just tastes
Cheeto
like
chicken.
It tastes like a fried pickle,
yeah.
and then the chicken tastes like chicken with no flavor.
Uh-huh. Chicken ain't chicken.
It tastes like I've been to Karen house.
Stop putting up, kid.
I'm not even gonna respond to that comment. Like, what in the world?
So I'm gonna wrap up this video. Oh, ready? I feel like we just started.
I don't care either way. I'm so sleepy.
It was so good. Why didn't you get no sleep today? What made you a coffee?
Cause you woke me up twice.
How?
You ever gonna get smart?
What'd you say?
She said, "Are you ever gonna get smart?"
What? Yeah, you know, you just would for no reason. No, I don't care. You should care.
I wish I would stop talking across my food.
We ain't even know we food.
And you are. You should care. All I heard was breath. You should care. All right, y'all. So, scale 0 to 10. What you give it?
Or what? The pickles?
Everything.
Yeah, everything. Well,
I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, for everything we did today, yeah, we like a 4.
what you think, babe?
I like the chicken, but it was not spicy.
Give it a number, 0 to 10.
I give it 2. But thank you for the hot chips.
What do you give it?
A 1. Chicken had no flavor.
True.
That's the only thing I tasted. I gave it a 10.
I was gonna say 5 because I was expecting it to be nasty because of the fact that you putting Cheetos on chicken. You know what I'm saying? Some pickles, but it really didn't have any taste. I don't know. I'm gonna go 4.5. Okay, how about we do that? 4.5.
Yeah.
Would we do this again? Probably not. Would we do it with something else? I don't know.
Maybe. I'd say maybe. I may want to.
Yeah, we might have to try a different kind of chip though.
Yeah.
I don't know if the Cheetos is like.
It was popping.
I mean,
I'm telling you, you need to make them jailhouse burritos out the Cheetos.
I want that. Let's try that.
you would want that.
Mm-hmm.
The hood know about them.
How many of you been to jail before?
I don't think they heard that.
She said, comment down below if you've been to jail before.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
I haven't. I'm just putting it out there.
Neither.
This man talking about jailhouse food and burritos.
I ain't never went to jail. They took me to jail. I ain't go.
You ain't go willingly. I'm dead.
These Cheetos get stuck behind me.
Oh my god. Okay. And on that note,
I don't think nobody ever went willingly.
Sorry. And the one in this.
let's do the one.
This is hot.
Why
Why?
are you eating them? You know you don't like them.
I like them, but it's super hot.
It's flaming hot. That's what we was expecting with the chicken.
Oh,
for the taste
flaming
like that.
I
For
thought,
the-
excuse me.
yeah, that's what we was expecting.
Nah, I give it a 0.
What you doing?
It's flaming hot. I'm trying to get a paper towel.
All
I
right.
got no paper.
That's what we saying. See, you gotta eat the regular Cheetos to know how it's supposed to taste. Y'all didn't even know how it's supposed to taste. What, babe?
I give it 0. Nah, I'll give it.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Nah, I'll give it a half.
Thank y'all for watching this video.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that notification.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And follow us on social media. It's gonna be in the description below, as well as the video of us making it, because some of y'all might still want to try it. I mean, we've been your taste testers, and we can let you know it ain't all that hot.
Okay.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Okay, woman.
I'm gonna say it one more time. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that notification.
Holla at you.
Bye. Stay blessed.
Being off. The mic was off the whole time we was recording this.
Are you freaking kidding me?
No, I'm not freaking kidding you. The mic was off.
Oh boy.
What?
Like, we wasted 20 minutes recording
Alright,
this.
it don't matter. You lying? You lying?
No, I'm not. It's 20 minutes recording this. No mic on.
It's green on the mic. No. It's green on the mic.
Oh, that means it's on. You right, Bray. The mic on.
You a liar.